So first day back from holiday, summer holiday, FTSE and stock markets are having a pretty decent sell-off, and what a great session it was this morning. And let's take a little look at the FTSE, because this has been a very nice trade. I'll show you what I was looking at for day trades. We've just had a bounce on the 5-minute chart on the FTSE up here. But this morning it was all short side trades. Okay, then we got the oversold reading here on the storyteller. So let's take a little look at why we were looking for shorts this morning on the FTSE and the German DAX. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, that's where it really started. Go to the 4-hour chart here. We're looking for momentum, aren't we? We're looking for those big momentum trades throughout the day, especially in that morning session. But you can see here the 4-hour time frame, we're making higher highs, and then a new high here. But look at the storyteller, we're getting those yellow lines signaling that we could roll over, and then we got a red pro trend system to confirm that. So those big divergences were the key, or the signal, that we could see a decent size move. Then we got all the way down to the pro trend system target 75.17, which is automatically signaled right here for you and generated. The profit target is generated automatically for you, so that was a nice profit target. And I've just taken a little bit of a long side trade off of that area as well on the 5-minute chart, pushed it into the 75.60 area, which was quite nice indeed. So we're getting this bounce, and the key really is now, do we have further to go? And as day traders, we'll be looking for this rally, a little bit of a rally here. Let's go down to the 1 hour again. We're looking for this rally here to fail and then to roll back over. Now, I'm liking the short side indices. We were looking for short side this morning. One of the reasons was the VIX. If you take a little look at the VIX, the volatility index, we need to show you that on the daily time frame. The VIX has been giving us the heads up that we could see a volatility move higher. Look at the VIX. This is the daily on the VIX here, VIX. You can see we have a great big 4-wave long divergence as price makes new lows here. And then yesterday's trading, we get a green pro trend system buy, and then today we've gone up another new candlestick, green pro trend system buy into profit target. So when the VIX is making this low, let's just draw that again for you. When the VIX is making the low, the VIX is dropping down here, making new lows. You're looking for long side trades in the stock market. But when we see that reversal coming, that big rounded bottom, nice 3-wave, 4-wave possible there, you're looking for short side trades. So that combination of the VIX making a potential move to the upside, and then you look at the FTSE here on the 4-hour time, looking like it wants to roll over. That combination really gave me the confidence to want to be shorting the markets this morning. Let's take a little look at the NASDAQ, because what we've done on the NASDAQ is we've taken an intraday swing trade. So we like the short-term day trades, in and out, get that day's money nice and quickly in the morning. But also I like to do those intraday swings where you're looking at it on the 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. You get the pro trend system signal, you get the momentum signal, and you're looking to hold it all day. And that's where the account really does grow, because if you can catch some of these a month, those trades that really can run like 100, 200 points, maybe even over a couple of days, then you can really grow the account. Instead of going just for your 10 points, 15 points, and maybe even 5 points on some of these small scalpy moves, you can get some very nice trades that last all day and maybe the day after as well. So I'm looking for that on the NASDAQ for a bit of a move back down. If you look at the daily time frame here, it's looking toppy. I mean, we do have a top here with a 2-wave divergence, and then we have a potential A, B, C. So trend predictor in here saying down. So a nice little 5th wave, an A, B, and then maybe a move back down here. I think with the VIX where it is, the indexes are vulnerable for a bit of a correction. And the thing is, if you look at the weekly or even monthly time frame on the NASDAQ, we're in a very nice, strong market. You can see here's the weekly chart on our pro trend system, nice trend predictor longs, nice momentum longs on the storyteller. we are very extended. We are very extended. We could get a move back down to 15,000, and that would just still be in an uptrend on the NASDAQ. And if you look at the fib retracement, we're way past the 76.4%. So we are very extended on the storyteller. I don't see why we can't have a bit of a move back down based on the VIX, based on some of the things I've already spoken about. So I'm looking for an intraday swing at least that lasts all day to the downside, and maybe even into tomorrow. And I'll just be scalping and day trading the FTSE as per normal, with these lovely red PTSs and momentum signals. All right, guys. So that's the day's trading. Let's see, with the VIX where it is, I think we can get some real good volatility, and I think we can get some very nice moves that could make some decent returns here, that could pay for the whole week's profits and pay for the whole week's trading just in one session here. Hope it helps, and I'll speak to you soon.